how to connect Binance to MetaTrader 5. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Binance to MetaTrader 5. Before we get started, if you're interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, make sure to check out Ledger's hardware wallets. You'll find the link down in the description. Alright, let's dive in. First, open up your MetaTrader 5 app and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, head over to the bottom right and tap on Settings. Next, click on New Account at the top of the screen. Now, tap on the search icon at the top and type in BTC, just like this. When you search for BTC, you should see the bin option appear on the list. Simply click on it and it will prompt you to log in with your Binance account. Just a quick note, sometimes the app may feature brokers or companies that might not be regulated in your country. So make sure to keep that in mind. Also, if you don't see the bin option or any Binance related options, it likely means that service is not available in your region. But if it does appear, simply click on it, log into your Binance account, and you'll be connected directly to MetaTrader 5. You'll then be able to monitor and manage your crypto trading right through the platform. And that's it. That's how you can connect Binance to MetaTrader 5 easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.